What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best brake cleaner on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Mitreapel Brake Parts Cleaner. Residue free. When using our brake cleaner spray to clean your brakes and brake components, you don't need to worry about grease, dirt or dust being left behind. This spray will remove all residue so that your brakes work properly. Specially formulated, we formulated our brake clean spray and designed the can so that the cleaner could be applied in multiple ways for your convenience. Thanks to our special spray system, it can be applied horizontally, vertically, upside down. Increased traction. When used, our brake parts cleaner removes the dust and oil that are on the metal parts of the brake system, including the pads, cylinders, drums, and more. This improves traction as well as safety. Non-chlorinated, the brake parts cleaner spray doesn't contain ingredients that are known to be harmful to humans. Our brake clean is free from acetone, halogenated solvents, and it is non-chlorinated. Additional use, our brake parts cleaner is made to be used on brake system components like calipers, springs, and discs, but it can also work in other areas as well. Use this brake clean to remove dust, oil, and dirt from motor parts too. In our list, the number 4 product name is Kraken Bond Brake Parts Cleaner Spray. Effortless cleaning power. Kraken Bond's brake cleaner ensures your brakes stay pristine, effortlessly removing tough grease and grime. Convenient spray can design. Our brake cleaner spray can is engineered for precision, targeting hard-to-reach areas with ease. Maximum effectiveness. Experience superior cleaning with brake clean, designed to tackle even the most stubborn residues. Advanced cleaning formula. Trust in brake parts cleaner to rejuvenate and maintain all brake components, calipers, springs, pads, and discs, enhancing performance. Rapid action spray. The brake cleaner spray from Kraken Bond acts fast, leaving no residue for efficient maintenance. We rendered our experiences of many decades and focused on developing products for perfection. At home, car garage, office workshop, basically everywhere you may need, we hope to help you with our large family of glues, adhesives, Jovan fillants, installment foams, or insulation chemicals. You can check our products by clicking on the products on the next page. In our list, the number 3 product name is CRC Brake Cleaner Spray. CRC Brake Brake Parts Cleaner is non-flammable and formulated to quickly and effectively remove grease, brake dust, brake fluids, oils, and other contaminants from brake parts, lining pads. CRC is a worldwide leader in the production of specialty chemicals for the maintenance and repair professional, serving automotive, marine, electrical, industrial, and aviation markets. Brake Clean. Maintaining clean brake and disc parts can improve the life of your car's braking system and keep you safe on the roads. Using Brake Clean is a great way to maximize the performance and increase the longevity of your brake system. Applications: Bracklin is ideal for use on spring brakes, wedge brakes, brake cylinders, brake drums, brake linings, brake shoes, calipers, clutch discs, and disc brake pads. Non-flammable: this formula is non-flammable and is safe to use on all components of your brake system. It uses a potent solvent that cleans and dries fast to remove contaminants and leaves no residue. Size: this item is a 19 oz spray offered in a 3-pack. CRC Industries, a market leader that offers impeccably designed chemical solutions to maintain, protect, and repair different marine, heavy duty motor vehicles, industrial grade engines, household tools, and electrical equipment. In our list, the number 2 product name is 3M High Power Brake Cleaner. 3M High Power Brake Cleaner now removes oil up to 2x, 8x faster, meaning technicians can use up to 50%, 90% less brake cleaner. It cleans brake parts and assemblies without leaving residue. Large, ergonomic actuator delivers high-powered stream to remove tough deposits. Cleaner removes brake dust, solvents, greases, and oils. 3M industrial and occupational products are intended, labeled, and packaged for sale to trained industrial and occupational customer workplace use. Unless specifically stated otherwise on the applicable product packaging or literature, these products are not intended, labeled, or packaged to or used by consumers, e.g., for home, personal primary or secondary school, recreational, sporting, or other uses not described in the applicable product packing or literature, and must be selected and used in compliance with applicable health and safety regulations and standards, EUS, OSHA and SAI, as well as all product literature, user instructions, warnings, and other limitations, and the user must take any action required under in a recall or other failure other product use notice. Misuse of 3M industrial and occupational products may result in injury, sickness, death, or property damage. For help with product selection and use, consult your on-site safety professional, industrial hygienist, or other subject matter expert. For additional product information, visit w.3m.com. In our list, the number 1 product name is Takao Brake Parts Cleaner. One Touch Brake Parts Cleaner is a powerful and efficient aerosol cleaner that quickly cleans brake and parts without the need for scrubbing or soaking. It is formulated with a unique blend of solvents and lubricants that effectively remove dirt, grime, oil, and brake dust, leaving your brakes and parts looking clean and new. The fast-acting formula works in seconds, saving you time and effort compared to traditional cleaning methods. One Touch Brake Parts Cleaner is residue-free, meaning it won't leave any harmful chemicals or odors behind on your brakes or parts. It is safe to use on all types of brakes and parts, including aluminum, steel, and rubber. Elevate your brake maintenance routine with One Touch Brake Parts Cleaner. Trusted by professionals and designed for all, our cleaner is engineered to dissolve even the most stubborn grime and brake dust. With its fast-acting formula and fresh scent, One Touch transforms a routine task into a refreshing experience. Witness a new level of cleanliness and brake response as our cleaner restores your components to their best form. Introducing One Touch Brake Parts Cleaner, the ultimate solution for all your cleaning needs. This powerful aerosol spray is specially formulated to quickly and effectively clean brake parts, including calipers, rotors, drums, and pads. Its fresh scent and residue-free formula make it a breeze to use, and it works fast to remove dirt, grime, and other debris from your brakes. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, one touch brake parts cleaner is the tool for the job.